today I'm going to be making dosa. First, you need dosa batter. My mom made this dosa batter. So first you need to get 1 scoop, put it in. And for this dosa batter, you need 2 scoops. And then start trying to spread it around. I'm not really doing it evenly because I didn't really learn the full thing yet. But you might need a help of a parent. Keep the stove on medium heat for 2 minutes. And then add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once you see some brownness, flip the dosa gently like this. And then wait for 1 more minute to cook. If you want, you could spread some cheese on your dosa to make a cheese dosa. It's optional, but I like it. After you're done cooking the dosa, fold it like this. And now put it in your plate. Now you could serve it with your favorite chutney. So I like eating it with peanut butter. It tastes yummy. How do you like it, Suzy? Good.